Hello po, good day. Bali, ito na po yung inyong order for the Sony PS Vita Slim model natin, black variant. So, on lang natin yung unit. This order naman is going to Gapan, Nueva Ecija. Napakita ko lang din po yung charging ng inyong unit. So, plug lang natin yung charger that's also included with your package. Once you plug your charger, yung green light po na ito, it will change to orange light. Ayan. So, this indicates that our unit is charging. And you'll also notice, magkakaroon po siya ng parang lightning icon, which indicates that charging po yung ating unit na. Now, our Vita games, dito po siya naka-bubbles. You can check the bubbles folder. Pero you can also access yung ating RetroFlow launcher para isahang tinginan nyo na lang po yung ating mga Vita games naman. So, these are all the PS Vita games we have. Aside, of course, yung mga requested games ninyo, we have installed a few others para ma-fully maximize din natin yung memory capacity niya. So, natin. So, marami na rin po kayong mga PS Vita games na pwede po ninyong pagpilian. Ito yung now, aside from our PS Vita games, yung mga requested po ninyo na PSP games, nilabas po namin siya para madali ninyo siyang ma-access. Andito po siya lahat. Pero hindi lang po siya limited sa mga PSP games na nakalabas. You can also open yung ating Adrenaline menu para lumabas yung other PSP games that we have. So, marami na rin po itong mga PSP games that you can also choose and play. Ito lahat yung PSP games natin. To go back to our main menu, PS Vita, you just need to click on our PS button twice. Ayan. And then we also have here sa folder na to, yung mga other games that you can also check. Yung ating Vita X-3D application, once you've opened this one, meron tayo dito mga game like Counter-Strike that you can also play. Now we have here yung ating PKGI na application. This would allow you to download PS Vita games directly online. So ito yung mga games that you can also download yourself. Pakita ko lang yung ating buttons pala. Open ko lang ulit. Ayan. So, our LR button, yung ating circle, X, square, triangle. Directional buttons po natin, our analog, left and right. All good, no ghosting or drifting. And our select start. Yung ating touchscreen sa likod, we also have touchscreen sa harap. And PS button. Aside from those applications that I've mentioned and yung ating mga PS Vita and PSP games, you can also check yung ating RetroArch application. Kasi by accessing this application po, this will allow you to play old retro classic games naman. So, with our RetroArch, we have installed here over 1,000 retro classic games that you can also play. Ayan. So, nandito yung mga NES, SNES, ayan, Famicom, Game Boy, and marami pa pong iba. Ayan. You can just scroll down. For example, under our Nintendo Entertainment System or NES, marami pa po siyang games sa ibaba niya. Under this game tab. Mega Drive, ayan. Super Nintendo, Game & Watch. So, open natin isa sa mga PS Vita games, top PS Vita games that you've requested. Yung Warriors. Ito tayo sa W. Ayan. I'll also send separate photos ng mga other specifics and inclusions that we have for your package sa ating chat. And pa-wait na lang din po na mag-update yung tracking information sa inyong app din. Alright, so okay na po yung ating order. Bali, ipapack na lang po namin ito. And pa-wait na lang din po ng mga additional photos we have. Thank you po and happy gaming!